Good morning, children.
It's good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we learn. I'll tell a story, narrate a story. Okay? You should all sit and listen to me. Then I will ask you. You should tell me the story. Okay? Got it? Today we are going to learn a story of thirsty crow. You have seen a crow, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
What does the crow say? Yes. What's the color of the crow?
Black.
Black. See, you can see the crow?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the crow. Okay? I'll write something on the board. Say everyone to tell me.
touch crow, ma'am.
You should not touch the crow. You can't touch the crow, it will fly off. Crows, they will fly. What is this?
Sun, ma'am.
Sun. When do you see the sun?
Morning, ma'am.
Morning. Sun gives his light in the morning. Okay? This is the sun. So now I'll write a crow. This is a crow. Why did I write the sun? Because it was a hot sunny day. Okay? It was too hot. When it's very hot, what do you do?
I drink juice, ma'am.
You drink juice. Okay,
Everyone
that's
drinks
really
juice.
nice.
Means-
You drink, you feel thirsty. You feel thirsty very soon. So what you do? You feel like drinking?
Water.
Yes. When you want to drink water, what you will do?
We'll search for water where it will.
Where it is, you know,
No,
for
ma'am,
water.
I'll ask mummy
And-
water.
Yes, very good. You'll ask mummy for water. Mummy, when you come to school, what your mummy does? Will give a bottle of water, right? So what you do, it will be in your bag. So what you do when you feel thirsty, you take a bottle and drink water. So what happened? Even the crow, it was a hot sunny day. The crow was very thirsty. It wanted to drink water. Then what does the crow do? It will start searching for water.
Why, ma'am, you don't have mummy?
No, it's for crows and all. Nobody gives
Ma'am,
water.
crow cannot take such a big spoon.
It cannot take money. I heard it's small
Ma'am, such a big stones, even my kid cannot.
Not but
Take, ma'am.
But crow will take today, you see.
One crow. Strong crow. Very strong.
Not come up at all. Simply the only whenever we have tried, water will not come up.
No, I have tried, ma'am, in the class. It will, with, I mean, you have to put more stones.
More pebbles.
Yeah.
Instead of
yes.
this big stone, it
Marbles, yeah, then it will come. But so much you have to put, otherwise it will not. But to show it to children, we can do this also.
We can use big stones.
Yeah, okay. Crow was
Don't
very
search for
thirsty.
stones,
It
but now
wanted
it will search for a straw. Very
Straw.
transparent. Directly it can drink.
No, now it will the whole bottom. It just
Okay, the crow was very thirsty, so it wanted to drink water. So for you kids, mama will give water, right? But for the crow, nobody will give water. So what does the crow do? It has to search for water. Okay, so what happened? It was very thirsty. It started searching for water. Okay, everywhere it went, started searching for water. Finally, it got a bowl with water. Okay, it was very happy.
ma'am, not bowl.
What? This is a bowl, so I told bowl. Bowl of water. Okay, so it came down to drink water. Okay, it sat here to drink the water, but it couldn't drink the water. Why? Because the water level of water is very low. Little water in it. Okay, very little water in it. So it couldn't drink the water. It felt really sad because it can't drink the water. It started searching again everywhere. Okay, everywhere it didn't get water anywhere. Okay, it came back again to see if it can drink. It couldn't drink the water. Then finally, it thought, why can't I do search for something else? Okay, it started searching everywhere. Finally, it saw stones over many marble stones over here. So it is a very clever crow. Okay.
Wise crow, ma'am.
It's a very clever crow. So what did the crow do? It started taking the stones.
How strong crow that?
Okay. It started putting.
Hey, Papa. What did it come, man?
See here, you can see stones here.
See how
It
big
took the
man.
stones.
Ma'am, it's big, man.
It will see it's coming
Hey,
up.
hey, what's it?
It's coming up.
But
Okay.
crow.
It started putting stones in the water.
One by one.
One by one. Yes, you can take only one stone at a time. Okay. So, okay. Now see, you can see children, the level of water has come up.
Yes,
There is
ma'am.
little water, right?
Yes,
Now you
ma'am.
can see it has come up. The level of water has come up, right? So again, crow came here. It could drink the water now.
Water should come.
Otherwise it will die, ma'am.
Okay. So it could drink the water. Okay. So this is the story of crow.
Thirsty
Ma'am,
crow.
actually you didn't tell me.
Okay, it flew happily. It could drink the water.
Where did it
So
fly?
it will fly everywhere. If any tree is there, it will go and sit. And if it wants food, it will
Brought
search
me
for
and show
food
now.
again. Okay, this is the story of thirsty crow. Okay, you all came to know about the thirsty crow.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what did it do? It was very thirsty. So what did the crow do?
It carry big stone and put it in.
Started searching for water
searching
first.
for water.
Okay, first it started searching for water.
Ma'am,
And
for
then
this
finally
crow there is no eyes.
no eyes, no. Okay, we'll draw the eyes. See. I'll show you now.
Ma'am, red color eyes, ma'am.
Yeah, it will have.
It's a
No,
drunken.
ma'am. It will have black eyes.
This is not red. You can see the eyes now.
No, ma'am, I can't see only, ma'am.
You can see the eyes now.
No,
Yes. No, you can see the eyes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, thank you, children.
Should we always drink water like
Bye,
this? Should we
bye.
always drink water like this?
Huh?